And many people who are not able to join, so for them I am actually doing Facebook Live, so they can obviously. Sorry, it is taking time, but only last minute, then we will start. Okay, so how many people were there on the our first, second, or third session of the NLP? Just write it in the chat box. How many people have attended our first three sessions of NLP? So I will able to understand, and then again I can go forward. Please write in the chat box if you have attended any of our NLP session. Okay. So first time Mr. Deepak is saying first time, Sanjeev is saying first time first. Roma was informed about one section, that was the second. Okay, good. First. Okay. So many people who are coming for the first time, thank you so much for joining in. We have many people who are also already joined or attended our three sections. So let me give you the brief introduction of Mahabodhi Consulting Group. My name is Hiren Panchal. I'm a founder of Mahabodhi Consulting Group. We are into HR and OD consulting. We are into training and development, into CSR and business coaching. We are also doing certain online certification program like POSH, NLP practitioner certificate. We are doing train the trainer certification. We are doing certification of design thinking. We are doing emotional intelligence, and so many other certification we are doing online. To spread the awareness about the NLP, we are doing this kind of 1 hour free sessions, and this is a very powerful techniques, tools and techniques which I have myself tried and tested over the year of period of time. I have trained on NLP in 2007, uh, before 13 years, and now this NLP is has formed the popularity. I have learned that NLP 2007. After that, immediately I have learned uh, hypnotherapy. So why I have learned hypnotherapy after immediately learning this NLP? Because I thought that NLP and hypnotherapy gives amazing results. And as I was into the field of therapeutic, I'm a clinical hypnotherapist. So I have used this NLP technique along with the hypnotherapy, and I have got amazing results for my clients, not in India, not face to face, but also over the call, over the this kind of session that we are doing right now. And if you will go to my website, you will get many references, many testimonials from the people who are from the abroad, NRIs, and other their citizens also of different countries. They have benefited a lot from this NLP, hypnotherapy, and combination of therapy. So that's why this NLP we are starting this kind of sessions. We have done different topics. The first topic we have done was the NLP. That was regarding the communication skills, how you can use NLP in your communication and how you can get benefit out of it, how we can utilize techniques like repo, in your communication, day-to-day life, and you can, improve your relationship, improve your communication with each and everyone, whether it's a workplace, whether it's an your home, or whether it's a society, anywhere. And you can get popularity, even you can, connect with the people, and you can make a good relationship with them. uh, the second NLP session we have conducted, that was on the basics of the NLP, how the NLP came into the picture, and what are the presuppositions of the NLP, and how it affects us as a human being. The third session which we have done was on the sensory acuity, and regarding the eye accessing cues, how you can by the sensory equity, even by the observing people of their eyes, even the facial expression, how you can make out that the person is, speaking lie or speaking truth, or so many different things. It is not about lying and saying truth and everything, but you can identify whether the person is, which kind of person the person is, a visual person, or an auditory person, or a kinesthetic person, because it is very much indeed important to know the person you are dealing with is using which kind of senses, and which sense the person is having a dominance, or what which sense it is dominating sense in the particular person. Why it is important? Because once you identify the person is using that visual sense, either auditory sense or a kinesthetic sense, then you can match that person. You can, bring that rapport. You can connect with the rapport. You can bring that chemistry with that person, and you will have a very good conversation. So I will give you one example. How many people of you have, done interaction with a particular person you have never met in your life? It was a first time interaction, and you feel that yes, I know the person from a very long time, and the person is like me only, and you like the person within first instance. How many people has experienced this thing? Please write yes in the chat box if you are, yes. Raghavendra is saying yes. Rima, Arun, yes. Roma, indeed. So most of the time, and most of the people has experienced this kind of situation many times in their life. You know, why? Because subconsciously you have created a rapport with that person. Rapport, it's nothing else. We are, interacting with the people, and certain things are matching with you and the other person, and you feel that the other person is like a mirror image of you, and you are accepting that person as it is, because you feel that yes, it is you only who is in front of you. So that's exactly the mirror image. And human nature says that you are more 10,000 times more interested in yourself rather than the other person. So if you feel that other person in front of you is you only, then your interest in that person will be 10,000 times more. Okay, so this is what we are doing at a subconscious level. But NLP will give you the techniques, tools and techniques. By that, you can create that rapport. You can learn to create that rapport in instances. There are certain things that you can match in other person, and by matching that persons, by matching that traits, the sensory activities and so many other things, you can match with that persons, and you can immediately create a rapport. And it is said that in my sales career in 2000 to 2006, I was into sales, and I have used this kind of techniques earlier, because I have trained on this in 2000, and then I got went for the certification of NLP, hypnotherapy, and so many other certifications. And then I have started training people, and when I was doing training, before training what they were doing and after training what they are doing, it's a huge difference in their performance, because now they have started utilizing these techniques of NLP and other sciences. So it is very powerful techniques, like doing the rapport with the person. And once you do the rapport, then definitely the other person will like you. He will accept you, and you will create a good image of yourself in other person's mind. And obviously, if the acceptance is there, then definitely you have created a bind in the other person's mind. And once you have created the bind, definitely whatever you will say, whatever you will, you want them to work, they will do it for you. So that's why the rapport in everything is very much important. Now, as many people are first time in this session for NLP, I want to give you a brief introduction about the NLP. That NLP stands for the Neuro Linguistic Programming. So neuro refers to our central nervous system, where we have a 100 billion neurons in our body, and that neurons has a specific role to perform. Each neurons are interacted, connected with other neurons. They have formed a chain, and that is an habit. So every experience has a structure. Every habit has a structure. Whatever you are doing because there is a, the neurological connections are there, and that connections are impulsing you to do that particular task in a particular manner only. Now, I want to give you an example that different people have different, style, which varies person to person. Now, think of a routine. Once you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you do? Please write in the chat box. What is the first thing you do? Okay. Okay, so Rima is saying I drink a glass of water. Raghavendra saying see a good photo, God's photo. Sorry. Okay. Deepak says brush. Ramkrishna is saying pray God. Mobile check now. Okay. Brushing the teeth. Okay, good. So different people are doing different things. Why? And every day they are doing the same thing. Gratitude to God. Okay, good. Many people will wake up early in the morning, and they will start certain kind of twisting of the body and stretching exercise, which I do actually regularly. Okay, and then I go to meditation, and then other routines. Okay, so why we are doing certain things every morning regularly from quite a long time? Because we have conditioned our mind in such a way that whenever we are we wake up in the morning, the first thing came into our mind that we want to do this only. Now, one person which I come across, and I have done the therapy, and the person has said, sir, if early in the morning I will wake up, and if I will not do this shaving, I will not shave, then I will not be able to go to the loo, right? So this kind of this kind of also conditioning people have done for themselves. Okay, so certain different things. So this is the conditioning. This is your mind is conditioned in a such a way that after this particular thing, certain people who who will have the tobacco, and then they actually pass this to so many different things are there. Okay, so this is the conditioning of your mind. All right. So hug my daughter, have a coffee. Good, good. So certain conditioning. Okay. So starting from the morning till the evening, till the night when we go to the sleep, each and every of our tasks, what we are doing, it is completely conditioning. Each and every task, it is conditioned, and your past conditioning is deciding your future, your right now, your present, and your present conditioning, what you are doing right now, will decide your future, because your action will take you to the particular results. If you are taking the right action, you will get the right results. If you are not taking right action, you are not taking the you will not get the right results. So now today's topic, what we are talking about is an NLP, programming your mind for the success, programming your success. Okay, so how you can program your success? Okay, so many people will think that we have a come up with a destiny, and whatever it is decided, we have to go through it, and we will achieve whatever is written in our destiny. So how many people believe in this? Please write yes or no, you whatever you feel. Rima say no. Okay, no. I believe in karma. Okay, good. No. The question again, please. Okay, so my question is, how many people think that we have come up with destiny, and whatever is written in the destiny, it is going to happen? Okay, good. So that is a round of applause for everyone who has said no, because yes, definitely you have a free will. you have your choice. You have you come here, definitely you have a destiny, but you have two different things. You have a free will also. Now, if you are not doing anything, sitting home with your hands, together and doing nothing, definitely the destiny is there, and everything will happen as per the destiny. But once you will start using your power as a free will, then you can change your destiny. You can change your life. You can change your actions. You can change your belief. You can change your value system. And once all these things will be changed, your habit will change, your behavior will change, your attitude will change. And once your attitude will change, your action will change. And once your action will change, definitely the result will change. And if you can change the results as per your desire, and you will be successful. Right. So, yeah, as per karma and free will. Excellent. Okay. So, right now, what we have in our hand, we want to change ourselves. Right now, whatever conditioning is done till now, 90% habits and 90% conditioning which we have done is negative. Whatever in whatever position you are there, in any situation, think of the thoughts you are receiving, you are creating from your mind. How many percent thoughts you think every day it is coming a positive thoughts, starting from the morning when you once you wake up and you go to the bed. 80 to 90% thoughts which you are attracting is in negative. Why it is negative? Because the same kind of energy, what is your perception is your projection. यहाँ पे जो होगा वही चीज आप अट्रैक्ट करोगे, राइट? सो वट एवर यू विल अट्रैक्ट, वट एवर यू विल हैव. अगर आपकी बिलीफ है कि आई कैन नॉट डू सर्टन थिंग्स, then definitely you will make it sure that you will not be able to do these things in your lifetime. But once you start changing your belief that yes, I can do this, then definitely your mind will help you to find out the ways that how to do it. So you have to change your belief first. Now, yes, now how many people think here in this group that whatever conditioning is done or whatever beliefs we have created, that can be changed? How many of you say yes or no in the chat box? Manju say yes, Sangeeta yes, Raghavendra yes, Krishna Acharya ji yes, it can be think differently. Okay, good one. So think differently. So how many people of you, how many people of you think that yes, by thinking only we can change our belief? Only by thinking. How many people? We can surely change. Yes, we can surely change. But okay, Manju saying no. Yes. Sivai saying yes. We check. Action to required. Sangeeta Khanna. Okay, good. So by thinking only we cannot change our beliefs. Why we cannot change our beliefs by just by thinking? Because how many of you has taken New Year resolution from past 10, 15, 20 years? That yes, this year onwards I will take care of my health. This year I will start. I will join the gym and I will reduce my weight. From tomorrow onwards, I will wake up early in the morning. I will read good books. I will do yoga meditation. I will do so and so. I will improve my knowledge in my particular field. How many people has taken this kind of New Year resolution? How many of you have tried to quit their, any kind of addiction, whether it's an tobacco or a cigarette or a liquor or anything? Yes or no? Every one of us has taken this kind of New Year resolution. How many people are stick to it? Consciously you have thought it, right? That yes, I want to do it. But how many of you really able to stick to it till the end of the year or till the you got the result? How many of you? Okay, yes, all previous resolution has gone for yes for a 6. Obviously, gone for a toss. Why it is so? Because you have thought. So if by only thinking, if you can change your beliefs, then definitely everyone has would have changed our beliefs. but it is not true. Just by thinking, we cannot change our beliefs or thoughts. Why? Because conscious level, by thinking consciously, you cannot change. You have to change it from the subconscious level, because the storage of all your beliefs and storage of all your habits, storage of all your value system, and your whatever experience you have taken so far, of previous lives also, it is stored in your subconscious mind. So you have to go into your subconscious mind and you have to change it from there. If you will not change it from there, you will not be able to change your beliefs, right? So you have to change it from there. Now, how to go into your subconscious mind? So there are certain tools and techniques. You have to go there. Now NLP will help you to go into your subconscious, to tap into your subconscious mind, and it will help you to modify your behavior, modify your experiences, because your experiences will make your beliefs. Likewise, let's take one example. One fine day you went into a particular bus or a auto rickshaw or a car, and when your co-passenger, you know, tried to talk with you, and you came home. You're not talk with that person, but you came home and you discuss this issue with your mother or father or your friend, and your mother or father or friend has said, "Don't ever talk to stranger," right? And now you have created a belief. Why? Because you have experienced it, and you have also got the confirmation from the person whom you are have a belief on it, trust on it. Now, what your belief has done? Your belief has. What is your belief now? Whenever you will go after 5 years, 6 or 7 or 10 years, and you will sit in a car or a bus or auto rickshaw, will you ever try to talk with your co-passenger, or will you allow them to talk with you? Whatever good person he or she is, you will not, because you have created a belief. Likewise, we have created so many different beliefs. Can you please write it down, some of the beliefs you have created in your subconscious mind in this particular chat box? Yeah, please. Okay. Maybe you have seen out come in the movies. Okay. Mind is by now conditioned. Yes. The bad ending. Okay, good. So now please write it down, some of the beliefs which you have related to your health, related to money, related to relationship in your mind. Please write down some of the beliefs. Never trust anyone 100%. Remind saying yes, good one. Yes. So it is about trust, relationship. So never trust anyone 100%. So whatever is excellent or good relationship you will have with anyone, you will not trust him or her 100%, because it is your belief. Yes. Okay. Now any other belief? This kind of, we have so many beliefs. We have so many beliefs. Okay. Related to money. Okay. Once bitten, twice shy. Okay. What pays is only hard work. Yes. हार्ड वर्क करने से ही आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा, अदरवाइज आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आप हार्ड वर्क नहीं करोगे तो आपको एंड ऑफ द डे वो सेटिस्फेक्शन होगा ही नहीं. ओके. Any ailment can be cured by exercise. Okay. Money is the root of evil. Excellent example. Many people has good skills, excellent knowledge, but they have one belief that money is an evil of root of all evil, and lifetime they will become poor. They will not able to get the money they deserve, because they have a belief. And what is your belief? You will achieve the same in your life. Money will come to you, and money will automatically go, because you believe that money is a root of all evil. So many people you have come across that people will get the money, but money will not return with them, because they have this kind of belief in there. Okay. And once the belief is there, obviously it will work day and night for you, that you will not get money. Okay. So the other opposite belief is also working the same way. Okay. Now if you are not able to change things, accept it as a destiny. Excellent. Good one, Roma. So now this belief, what it will say, we will not try. Once whatever we will receive, once we will try, whatever we will receive, we will accept as a destiny, that this is the destiny God has created. God has written this, yes, I will get on this only, and I will not try anymore. I will not go beyond that, and I will accept it. And once I've accepted because of my belief, obviously I will not able to get more than that. So I will accept it as a destiny. Have no expectation from others. Okay. So now you will do many much things for other people, and in return you will not expect anything, right? And it is always a lose-win situation. You will do good for others, and you will not receive anything because it's a lose for yourself. You are doing good things to other, and the other person will get benefit. You will not get benefit, and it will not go long. You will not be able to, make relationship for a longer duration of time. The relationship will break. Why it will break? Because it is not a win-win situation. If it is not a win-win situation for both of the party, then the relation will not go for long. Okay, so it is always give and take. Not in all the cases, but most of the cases. Okay, certain relations. Okay, every problem has a solution. Yes, every problem has a solution. Definitely, if you have this kind of belief, then definitely you will search a solution for each and every problem you will face. Okay. Honest trees are cut first. However honest you are, never expect total honesty from others. Okay. So now in this situation, you will not, trust each and everyone, whether the person is 100% trustable, the person is exhibiting the 100% honesty with you, then also you will not trust him or her, because it is your subconscious, it is your belief that, however honest you are, never expect total honesty from the others. Okay, so yeah, duties, dharma. Okay, good one. Parents tell children no 1,000 times during their childhood. Yes, one fine example I always tell to my participants that, once the baby boy, they started walking, crawling, and they try to, get up. The first thing a mother say, take care, you will not, you don't fall, गिरना मत, संभालना. ओके, अभी वो बच्चे ने उठना स्टार्ट किया है, वो चलना का सोच रहा है, एंड यू आर सेइंग द फर्स्ट थिंग, ध्यान रखना, गिरना मत. तो अभी से आपने उसको बोल दिया कि गिरना मत, और उसने कंसीव कर लिया कि अगर मैं खड़ा होऊंगा तो गिरूंगा, एंड फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर दिस, ही फॉल्स डाउन. और उसके बाद मामा बोलते हैं, देखो मैंने बोला था ना गिर जाओगे. रीअफर्म कर दिया और वो बिलीफ बना दिया कि गिरो, खड़े होंगे तो गिरोगे. Many such kind of conditioning which we have done as a parents, even as our parents also done from us, and these are the conditioning, these are the beliefs holding us. यही beliefs, यही जो values है, वो हमको होल्ड कर रही है, आगे जाने से हमको रोक रही है. जैसे एक और एग्जांपल मैं आपको देता हूँ कि छोटा जो हाथी का बच्चा, हम सबने ये सुना होगा, ये स्टोरी. हाथी का बच्चा जब छोटा होता है ना, तो उसको एक ट्री के साथ में एक पतली सी रस्सी से बांध दिया जाता है, और वो बच्चा बहुत ट्राई करता है वहां से निकलने के लिए, लेकिन नहीं निकल सकता क्योंकि वो छोटा है, उसके अंदर इतना ताकत नहीं है कि वो उस डोर को निकाल के वो वहां से छूट सके. बहुत ट्राई करता है, 1 दिन 2 दिन 15 दिन 20 दिन 25 दिन, फिर वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है, वो बिलीव बना लेता है कि यहाँ से मैं छूट नहीं सकता. वो डोरी जो होती है पतली होती है, इतनी मोटी नहीं होती रस्सी, लेकिन वो बिलीव बन जाती है कि हाँ यहाँ से मैं अभी निकल नहीं सकता, और वो ट्राई करना छोड़ देता है. धीरे धीरे डे बाय डे हाथी जो बच्चा होता है वो बड़ा हो जाता है. जब बड़ा हो जाता है तभी वो बिलीफ कैरी करके चलता है कि यहाँ से मैं छूट नहीं सकता, और महावत उसको वही छोटी सी रस्सी से वो पेड़ के साथ बांध देता है, वो वहीं पे खड़ा रहता है. क्यों वहां पे खड़ा रहता है? क्योंकि बिलीफ सिस्टम बन गया है. अभी वो चाहे तो ऐसे 10 पेड़ों को वो गिरा सकता है एक ही झटके में, लेकिन वो ट्राई नहीं करता है. क्यों ट्राई नहीं करता है? क्योंकि बिलीफ बन गई, बिलीफ बन गई. So we have the tremendous power within us. Our subconscious has the tremendous power, but the belief systems are there which are holding us back to achieve what we want, we deserve to achieve, what we deserve to get in our life. Okay, so ये यहाँ से हमको change करना है. तो कॉन्शियस लेवल पे थिंकिंग करके हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, तो उसको सबकॉन्शियस में जाके कंडीशनिंग को चेंज करना पड़ेगा। इसलिए हमको न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग, वो हमारा जो न्यूरोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रामिंग हुआ है, न्यूरोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रामिंग कहाँ से हुआ है, हमारी 5 सेंसेस से हुआ है, और वो 5 सेंसेस ने हमारे सबकॉन्शियस के साथ में कम्युनिकेशन किया है, वर्बल एंड नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन। तो जो वर्बल और नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन की वजह से हमारा सबकॉन्शियस में प्रोग्रामिंग हुआ है, वही प्रोग्रामिंग हम चेंज कर सकते हैं हमारे वर्बल और नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, फिर से वर्बल नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन हमारे सबकॉन्शियस के साथ में करके। जैसे एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ मैं आपको फिर से। अगर आपको कल सुबह, कल से ऐसा सोच करना है कि भाई मुझे अभी अर्ली मॉर्निंग रोज उठना है, या मुझे कल से एक्सरसाइज करनी है, तो आपको सबकॉन्शियस में जाके आपकी हैबिट को चेंज करना पड़ेगा। कौन सी हैबिट है? 2 हैबिट है, एक है पेन पार्ट में, एक है प्लेजर पार्ट। ओके, 2 तरीके से आप उसको कर सकते हो, राइट। एक, जब वो इमरजेंसी क्रिएट होगी लाइफ के अंदर। इमरजेंसी कब क्रिएट होती है? जब एक बार आपके लेफ्ट साइड के अंदर थोड़ा पेन होगा, घर वाले आपको एम्बुलेंस में या कार गाड़ी में लेके डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे, डॉक्टर चेक करेगा, ईसीजी निकालेगा और बोलेगा माइनर हार्ट अटैक था, और 2-3 वो आपकी वेन्स ब्लॉक है, अगर कल से एक्सरसाइज को डाइटिंग ये सब स्टार्ट नहीं किया तो मेजर भी आ सकता है, राइट। तब वो इमरजेंसी क्रिएट होगी लाइफ में के अंदर, और दूसरे दिन से हम स्टार्ट कर देंगे, राइट। अगर ये इमरजेंसी का वेट नहीं करना है, ओके, तो अपने सबकॉन्शियस में जाना है उसका टेक्निक से, और वहां पे जाके आपका जो सुबह अर्ली और उठने का और एक्सरसाइज करने का हैबिट जो पेन पार्ट के अंदर पड़ा है, क्योंकि उससे आपको पेन होता है ना, सुबह जल्दी उठना पेन है, एक्सरसाइज करना पेन है, उसको पेन के फोल्डर से निकाल के प्लेजर के फोल्डर में ट्रांसफर करना है। तो वो ट्रांसफर हम एनएलपी की मदद से कर सकते हैं। तो जितनी आपकी ऐसी नेगेटिव या ऐसा बोल सकते हैं जो आपका ऐसे कोई हैबिट्स है जो पॉजिटिव साइड होनी चाहिए लेकिन नेगेटिव साइड में है। ज्यादा ऑयली नहीं खाना है, अच्छा फूड खाना है, हेल्दी फूड खाना है, फास्ट फूड नहीं खाना है, लेकिन फास्ट फूड की आदत लगी है, हैबिट है कि भाई वही खाएंगे तो ही मजा आता है, तो ही सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है, हर रोज खाने के बाद स्वीट चाहिए ही चाहिए, और हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा नहीं भी है, लेकिन वो प्लेजर फोल्डर में है। तो प्लेजर में से उठा के उसको पेन में भी डाल सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनएलपी। इवन इन टाइगर conditioning is conditioning the circus, otherwise it will pounce or others. Sir, can you please repeat the example in English once again? Yes, sure. So I have taken the example of a baby elephant. Is tied with a uh, string with a tree, and in the beginning he tried a lot to get rid of that particular string. He will not able to because it's a baby elephant. He don't have the enough strength. But after some time he grows bigger and he has the strength where he can actually escape from that particular tree in one go. But he will not try because the conditioning is that the belief is made in her mind that I will not be able to get rid of this particular uh, tree. Okay, so that is the time plays a vital role in life and work. If the time is good, we can reach to any extent. Yes, obviously, but conscious efforts are required, man. You can reach any time, anywhere, wherever you want to go. But one thing which I can assure you, massive results need a massive actions. अगर बहुत बड़ा सक्सेस चाहिए, अगर बहुत बड़ा रिजल्ट चाहिए, तो उसके सामने बहुत बड़ा एक्शन भी लेना पड़ेगा ना. Just by thinking will not do. So now I will present one particular model which actually helps you to change your beliefs, and you will change your beliefs and definitely you will change your results. Okay, so let's discuss about that model. So the first thing in that model comes, there are 4 different things in this model. The first thing is belief. You have to change your belief. Belief is nothing about but your mindset. Okay, so you have to change your mindset. In mindset, what we think that certain thing we can do, certain thing we cannot do. It is out of our expertise, or it is out of our reach, and so many different stereotypes which are prevailing in our subconscious mind. So we have to change that belief. And beliefs, my dear friends, one very positive thing about belief, that belief is never be a constant. Beliefs are always changing. You know, beliefs are always changing, and it is changing as per your experiences. Okay, so beliefs can be changed and beliefs can be redesigned. Yes, it can be redesigned, and you have different beliefs like positive beliefs. You have certain negative beliefs, and we always operate from the beliefs. Your behavior is always based on your beliefs. If you want to change your behavior, you have to change your beliefs. Okay, and once the belief is changed, as we have discussed that we have many beliefs which are negative in nature, like we have said about the health, wealth, relationships, and so many other areas of life. We have a negative beliefs, and if we can change that belief, definitely we can lead to a positive, a successful life. अगर हमारे दिमाग से ये बिलीफ निकल गया कि money is the root of all evil, what will happen? You will start attracting the money. You will work for the money. Right now, you have believed that money is evil, you know, and which is evil, you will not accept it. क्योंकि आपका वो बिलीफ है ना दिमाग के पीछे. You are all religious person. You are all connected to God, and evil thing आप कभी उसको accept करोगे ही नहीं. अगर accept ही नहीं करोगे तो आपकी लाइफ में आएगा भी नहीं. Yes or no? Right? So you have to think in such a manner. हेल्थ के बारे में अगर आपका ये है कि बाद में कर लेंगे, ये रिलेशनशिप के बारे में है कि ठीक है चलता है, राइट. बिलीव्स चेंज, वैल्यू रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट relatively, so follow middle path. Yes, belief changes, values remains there. Okay. ओके, बिलीफ का एक और एग्जांपल मैं आपको देता हूँ. अगर बिलीफ आपका सही होता है तो आपको टॉप पे भी पहुंचा सकता है. तो मैं कहीं पे पढ़ रहा था और मैंने ये चीज सुना था कि द ग्रेटेस्ट बॉक्सर ऑफ ऑल द टाइम मोहम्मद अली, बिफोर गोइंग टू एवरी फाइट, at least for 15, 20, 100 times he was saying himself that I am the best, I am the champion, I am the best, I am the champion. And this is the belief he has created in his mind, and he has never lost any fight. Why? Because the belief was created in his mind that I am the best and I am the champion. Okay, so by thinking, and it is not only thinking. So the first step, what in the model, what I have talked about the belief. So you should have the positive belief in yourself, in your actions. If it is there in your subconscious mind, the positive belief, then the potential, the right belief, and the right potential. Now I will give you one example. If Muhammad Ali has the belief in his mind that I am the best, I am the champion, but he is not believing in his potential. Then belief is there that yes, I can win each and every fight, but potential is not aware about the potential. Then so potential is more what your personal attitude, what you believe about yourself. ओके, मेरी बिलीफ थी कि मैं ये अचीव कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन कहीं मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि शायद मैं अचीव ना भी कर पाऊँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव बिलीफ इन माय पोटेंशियल. ओके, द ट्रू पोटेंशियल. ओके, so you have to tap into your potential, and you have to take your in charge of your failure and success, because not every time you are going to win. Certain time you will also you will face the failure, and now you have to take the lesson from the failure, and definitely from the failure you will get a right experience, and the experience you will utilize in your next experience or next action. So you have to believe in your potential, आपकी क्षमता, आपके resources. कई बार we always believe that we don't have the resources. Okay, how many people think that I don't have the proper resources, that's why I was not able to become successful? Anyone? Please say yes in the chat box if you believe so. Okay, Arun is saying no. ओके, बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि मैं जब पैदा हुआ ना तो स्टार्स कुछ ठीक नहीं थे, मेरी कुंडली अच्छी नहीं बनी वहां पे, और अगर ये स्टार यहाँ पे होता ये पोजीशन में तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा यू नो सक्सेस मिलता। बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग भी हैं जो सोचते हैं कि मैं एक बहुत ही पुअर फैमिली में यू नो मुझे मैं आया, इसलिए मुझे अगर कोई अच्छी फैमिली में मैं होता तो शायद मैं अच्छा पढ़ लिख लेता, या फिर मैंने मैंने कोई अच्छी स्कूल में एडमिशन नहीं लिया, या फिर मुझे अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन नहीं मिला और इसलिए मैं पीछे रह गया। है आपके पास ऐसे कोई एक्सक्यूजेस जिससे आप बोल सकते हो कि यस ये सब रीजन थे, इसी वजह से मैं आज सक्सेसफुल नहीं हूँ या फिर मुझे जो चाहिए था वो नहीं मिला? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू? प्लीज राइट यस और नो वट एवर यू थिंक। I believe you don't have to wait for things to happen. You need to make it happen. Okay, good. Rima is saying no. Your nature also helps in getting more opportunities. Okay, good. Okay, good. Good enough. So it is not resources what you have. It is the sources from within what you have. The source should come from within. You don't need any resources outside. If you have one source from inside that yes, I want to achieve it, anyhow, whatever challenges come in your way, you will be able to achieve that thing. So it is only one source is required, and that source should come from within. Outside sources will be managed. You will get each and everything coming to you once you believe that yes, I am, this is my strong belief, and I believe in my potential that yes, I will achieve it. This is the only source which is required to become successful in life. So you should have a right kind of belief. You should have a right kind of belief. You should believe in your potential. Third thing, now you have a belief. You believe in your potential, and now you have to take the action. Because without action, you will not be able to change anything. Because action will come, bring the results. So action is required. So why do we take the actions? हम एक्शन क्यों लेना पड़ता है, क्यों लेते हैं हम एक्शन? Sangeeta is saying there are times when outside resources way heavier than your dreams. uh, Sangeeta, yes, thank you so much for this, to make things work as we need. There are times when outside sources way heavier than your dreams. You are right. But because why you are getting the outside resources, you know, because you are believing your dreams. If you believe in your dreams strongly, then automatically nature, or whatever you believe in God, you believe in nature, you believe in universe, or you believe in the science, okay, that will attract. Okay, so what you think you can manifest. तो आप जो थिंक करते हो ना वही मैनिफेस्ट होता है। और आपको लगता है कि मुझे ये चीज बाहर से मिला, बाहर से नहीं मिला, आपने वो अंदर से ही इनिशिएट किया था। आपने वो फ्रीक्वेंसी बाहर डाली थी यूनिवर्स के सामने, और वही चीज आपके सामने आई है। ओके, तो सोचने का देखने का तरीका हमारा अलग होता है, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली अंदर होगा तो ही बाहर आएगा। अंदर अगर बिलीफ नहीं है तो बाहर से भी कुछ नहीं आएगा। सो शुड हैव द स्ट्रांग बिलीफ इन anything whatever you want to achieve to fulfill the desired outcome. Yes, a put plan in field, actualize the plan. Without action it's just in the mind. Excellent. So now belief होगा और potential आपको लगेगा yes, I am able to do this, I have the potential. Your subconscious will guide you, you know through uh, वो जो इग्निशन चाहिए ना आपको, वो जो स्पार्क चाहिए, आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड आपको देगा, आपको वो पुश देगा, और ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल ट्राई योर एक्शंस, यू विल स्टार्ट द एक्शंस। ओके, जब अंदर से वो आवाज आती है ना कि हाँ मुझे अचीव करना है और मैं अचीव कर सकता हूँ, बिलीव भी होता है, पोटेंशियल भी, हम जब अपने आप को बोलते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली एक्शन वहां पे चालू हो जाता है। ओके, नंबर ऑफ एक्शन, हाउ फास्ट और हाउ स्लो वी आर डूइंग, और हाउ फोकस्ड वी आर। तो हमारे एक्शन तीन चीजों के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं कि हम कितना फास्ट और स्लो सोचते हैं इस चीज के बारे में, हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस क्या है और हम कितने फोकस्ड है वो चीज अचीव करने के अंदर। तो हमारे जो गोल होते हैं ना, हम बोलते हैं कि व्हाट आर अवर गोल्स। सो जनरली वो गोल्स नहीं, वो आउटकम्स है, व्हाट आउटकम्स वी आर फोकस्ड ऑन। हमको वो आउटकम चाहिए, यस। कब चाहिए? इमीडिएट चाहिए कि चलेगा कभी भी आ जाए, राइट? सो वंस वी आर फोकस्ड ऑन अवर आउटकम, हाउ, यस, एक्सीलेंट महेश, यू आर राइट, दिस इट, हाउ मच पैशनेट वी आर फॉर आउटकम। सो अगर हम पैशनेट है हमारे आउटकम के लिए, तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा एक्शन, नंबर ऑफ एक्शन वहां पे बढ़ जाएगा, हमारा फोकस बढ़ जाएगा, और हमारा जो पेस है, स्पीड है, वो एक्शन को, वो आउटकम को अचीव करने के लिए वो बढ़ जाएगा, राइट? So that's why this is very much important, that you have to be focused on the outcome, not on the process. अगर रास्ते पे आपका ध्यान लगा रहा तो आप वो रास्ते पे चलेंगे नहीं चलेंगे, और कई बार थक जाएंगे और वापस भी आ जाएंगे। लेकिन अगर आपका फोकस आउटकम के ऊपर होगा, अल्टीमेट जो हमको अचीव करना है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका रास्ता कब कट जाएगा पता नहीं चलेगा, और आप वो अचीव कर लोगे, राइट? सो ऑलवेज फोकस्ड ऑन योर आउटकम, नॉट ऑन द प्रोसेस। प्रोसेस के ऊपर अगर आपने फोकस डाल दिया तो सब कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। So you have to clearly visualize that process, that outcome, what you are going to get, how you will feel, how you will think, all the things you have to visualize. Now the last thing, once you will take the actions, obviously you will produce certain results. So results are the scoreboard of actions. जैसे क्रिकेट के अंदर एक फील्डर, नॉट फील्डर, बैट्समैन आता है क्रीज के ऊपर, और वो स्टार्ट करता है प्ले करना, एक बार 4, एक बार 1 रन, 2 रन, 5 रन, और स्कोर बोर्ड देखता है कि भाई चलो मेरे 50 रन हो गए। तो वो एंड रिजल्ट है, राइट? तो वो जो एंड रिजल्ट है, वो क्या, वो रिजल्ट है, वो क्या चीज है? क्यूमुलेशन ऑफ द एक्शंस, यस और नो? उसने जो एक्शन लिया, उसने जो 1 रन, 2 रन, 5 रन, 10 रन बनाए, उसका जो टोटल था वो रिजल्ट के तरीके से स्कोर बोर्ड के ऊपर है। तो आपको जो रिजल्ट मिला है वो आपके एक्शन का स्कोर बोर्ड है। तो अगर आपने एक्शन सही नहीं लिया है तो आप कैसे अच्छे स्कोर बोर्ड, अच्छे रिजल्ट की एक्सपेक्टेशन कर सकते हो? कर सकते हो क्या? यस और नो? सो यू आर सेइंग लुक रिजल्ट्स देन प्रोसेस। ऑब्वियसली your focus should be on the result, and result what you want to achieve, right? So क्या आप एक्शन लिए बिना अच्छे स्कोर बोर्ड या अच्छे रिजल्ट के एक्सपेक्टेशन कर सकते हो? नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो मैसिव रिजल्ट्स नीड मैसिव एक्शन, ये अपने दिमाग के अंदर बैठा दो। जो बाय चांस आएगा ना, वो बाय चांस चला भी जाएगा, राइट? आप जितना एक्शन लेके आपने जो हार्ड वर्क से अर्न किया होगा वो आपके पास रहेगा। इट्स ए नेचर, इट्स ए लॉ ऑफ नेचर ऑल्सो। लॉटरी से लगा पैसा कब चला जाता है पता नहीं चलता, और खुद का लेके भी चला जाता है। लेकिन जो हार्ड वर्क से कमाया वो पैसा है, वो हमेशा आपके पास रहता है, और वो बढ़ता रहता है, वो कम नहीं होता, राइट? तो ये चीजें आपके मैसिव रिजल्ट्स नीड मैसिव एक्शंस, और आपका जो रिजल्ट है वो आपका एक्शन का स्कोर बोर्ड है, ये हमेशा याद रखना। पीपल जनरली लुकिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इनटू देयर रिजल्ट्स। तो कभी भी आपका जो रिजल्ट है वो आप कितने ट्रांसफॉर्म हुए हैं, आपका जो सोच कहाँ पे था और कहाँ पे आया है। जैसे एक प्रिंसिपल है ना, गीगो प्रिंसिपल, गार्बेज इन गार्बेज आउट। अगर अच्छा चीज डाला तो अच्छा निकलेगा, अगर अच्छा चीज नहीं डाला तो आप अच्छी चीज की एक्सपेक्टेशन भी नहीं कर सकते ना, तो आपको उसके लिए ट्रांसफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा। और ओके, सो नाउ इफ यू आर गेटिंग गुड रिजल्ट्स, if you are getting good results, obviously your new belief will become good, right? तो एक सर्कल है, जैसे मैंने बताया था ना, सबसे पहले बोला था मैंने, बिलीफ देन पोटेंशियल, पोटेंशियल टू एक्शन, एक्शन टू रिजल्ट, रिजल्ट टू अगेन बिलीफ, एक सर्कल है। अच्छा रिजल्ट हुआ तो अच्छा बिलीफ बना, और अच्छा बिलीफ हुआ तो अगेन पोटेंशियल, अगेन एक्शन, और अच्छा रिजल्ट। लेकिन अगर बिलीफ अच्छा नेगेटिव है तो पोटेंशियल, you will have not have confidence in your potential, एक्शन में भी वो दम नहीं रहेगा। अगर एक्शन में दम नहीं रहा तो क्या होगा, रिजल्ट भी अच्छा नहीं आएगा। रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आया तो अगेन बिलीफ बनेगी, देखा मैंने सोचा था नहीं होगा और नहीं भी हुआ ना, अगेन बिलीफ स्ट्रांग हो गई। और बिलीफ स्ट्रांग थी तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो पोटेंशियल में तो फिर अभी तो और ज्यादा हमको वो नहीं है हमारे पोटेंशियल के ऊपर। और अगेन एक्शन हमने लिए, वो भी डिले डायरेक्ट एक्शन लिए, अगेन हमको जो रिजल्ट मिला वो एज पर द एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं मिला और हमारी बिलीफ और स्ट्रांग हुई। और एक बार में हमको ये जानने को मतलब हमारा बिलीफ बन जाता है कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, मैं बहुत बार ट्राई कर लिया लेकिन मुझसे कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, मैं वो नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि आपका बिलीफ नेगेटिव था और आपको रिजल्ट भी नेगेटिव मिला और वही रिजल्ट नेगेटिव की वजह से आपका बिलीफ और नेगेटिव हो गया। उसका उल्टा भी सेम है। इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि जितनी बार अगर आपको रिजल्ट चेंज करना है, अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल होना है कोई भी एक चीज के ऊपर, अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल होना है तो ट्राई ऑलवेज ए स्मॉलर स्टेप। एक छोटा सा टास्क लो, उसमें बिलीव करो कि यस आई विल डू इट, आई कैन डू इट, और पोटेंशियल, यस आई हैव द पोटेंशियल टू डू इट। छोटा सा स्टेप, छोटा सा स्टेप लिया, उसमें बिलीव किया, पोटेंशियल आपको, आपने यस बोला, उसके ऊपर एक्शन लिया, आपने अचीव किया, तो भले 0.1% लेकिन आपका बिलीव स्ट्रांग तो हुआ। और 0.1% भी बिलीव स्ट्रांग हुआ तो सेकंड टाइम जो एक्शन लोगे उसमें आपका 1% बिलीव स्ट्रांग होगा और ऑटोमेटिकली वो धीरे धीरे बिलीव स्ट्रांग होता जाएगा, राइट। तो बहुत बड़े रिजल्ट की एक एक ही झटके में बहुत बड़ा रिजल्ट लाने की कोशिश मत करो। ऑलवेज ट्राई विद स्मॉलर स्टेप्स। उसमें अगर आप सक्सेसफुल होते हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका बिलीव स्ट्रांग होता जाएगा। ये एक नॉर्मल वे है। दूसरा एक वे है कि आपके सबकॉन्शियस में अंदर जाओ, वहां पे एक, अब मैं बात कर रहा हूँ एनएलपी, ये रेगुलर जो हमने थोड़ी बात की वो रेगुलर थी, अभी एनएलपी की। एनएलपी हैज ए टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स। एक सक्सेसफुल इंसान के जो भी बोलते हैं ना कि मॉडल्स, उसको मॉडलिंग कर लो। वो जो भी करता है उसको आप एक चीज में लिख लो, उसकी हैबिट्स क्या है, वो क्या करता है क्या नहीं करता वो सब, और वही करना चालू करो, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट द सक्सेस। ये ऐसा एक सिंपल एग्जांपल लेता हूँ। अगर आपके फ्रेंड के कंप्यूटर के अंदर एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम है जो उसको अच्छा रिजल्ट देता है और आपके कंप्यूटर में एक प्रोग्राम है जो आपको प्रॉपर रिजल्ट नहीं दे रहा है, टास्क सेम ही है, तो आप क्या करोगे, आपके कंप्यूटर में से वो प्रोग्राम डिलीट करोगे, आपके फ्रेंड के कंप्यूटर में से वो कॉपी करोगे और आपके कंप्यूटर में वो पेस्ट करोगे और डाउनलोड कर दोगे। ओके, और फिर आपको सेम रिजल्ट मिलेगा जो आपको फ्रेंड को मिल रहा है, यस और नो? यस। ओके, द सेम थिंग इज कैन बी डन विथ योर माइंड with the help of NLP, right? So it's a wonderful science. NLP is an attitude. NLP is a technology of success. बहुत 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 सारे टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स है जिससे आप अपना कंप्लीट सबकॉन्शियस माइंड रिप्रोग्राम कर सकते हो, आपकी हैबिट्स आप चेंज कर सकते हो। फियर्स और फोबिया, बहुत सारे लोगों को फियर एंड फोबिया होता है ना, जो उनको होल्ड करता रहता है। फियर्स एंड फोबिया एनएलपी की मदद से आप विद इन मिनट्स में दूर कर सकते हो। मिनट्स मतलब 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, एक या दो सेशन के अंदर कोई भी फियर और फोबिया हो आप दूर कर सकते हो उसको। बहुत सारी टेक्निक है जैसे एसोसिएशन हो गया, डिसोसिएशन हो गया, ओके, सेंसरी एक्विटी, रेपो टेक्निक, सर्कल ऑफ एक्सेलेंस, मिल्टन मॉडल, मेटा मेटा मॉडल, बहुत सारे ऐसे मॉडल से, बहुत सारे ऐसे टेक्निक्स है जो आपके लाइफ को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकती है, राइट। सो this was from my side. Now maybe we can take some of the question answer if you want. Give me a minute. Okay. So now you can unmute yourself. Any one of you have a question? Please unmute yourself and you can ask the question. Are all 4 sessions recording available? Yes. So I will write my channel's name. It is there in the chat box. The Ask Mahabodhi. Sorry, Mahabodhi. not only 4 sessions of NLP, but in last 1.5 months, we have done around 10, 15 different sessions on different topics. All the recordings are available on the YouTube channel. Definitely, you can subscribe the channel, and you will get the notification. And all the recordings are available on that channel. So, Ask Mahabodhi is the name of the channel. Yes, fees. Vanna is saying. So we are coming up with NLP practitioner certificate course in maybe in one next week. So anyone who is interested to become certified NLP practitioner and help people and help himself or herself to get the success in any field of life, you can get in touch with Khushbu. Her number will be there in the group. She will write in the chat box, and she will give you all the information. Rimay Singh, it was great and insightful learning, and it was my first ever session on NLP. Okay, I made a right decision to attend your session and speak wonderfully, and I have able to understand. Thank you, Rima. Thank you so much. Ramakrishna is there any official body which certifies NLP? I had many companies saying you will get certificate, verify this part. Okay, so Ramakrishna, you are rightly said. Originator of NLP is Mr. Richard Bandler and John Grinder. They both have started, working on the NLP. Many other people also joined them, and they have discovered all these NLP techniques, tools, and techniques. Now, different people, different people are running their own institutes, and they are certifying people on the NLP. In India, only there are certain people who are running their own institute, and they are certifying people. So what I understand, what I think, that NLP is not limited to a particular 2 day, 5 days, 10 days program. In 10 days program, what we are conducting, 2 hours, 2.5 hours daily, around 25 hours of practitioner certification. In that, we are giving you tools and techniques, the base of NLP. Now, on that base, you can create your own NLP techniques. So we are teaching you the basics. Out of that, you can create your own. In 2007 or 6, I have learned NLP. And then I have developed my own tools and techniques based on the NLP and hypnotherapy, and they are working wonders. So NLP is not restricted to any particular body, any particular certification. What certification we are giving is a certification of Mahabodhi Consulting Group. Many people who are doing certification, who are giving you certificate of international level, but they are charging quite high. They are charging around 20,000, 25,000 for the same course. What we are offering, the same quality, what we are offering, and we are offering the same course 50% of the cost, because we are not paying to the international bodies for the certification. So that is the only difference between Mahabodhi certification and the other certification. So now decision is depend on you. If you want to, if you can pay 25,000 rupees, you can go for the international certification. And if you are willing, the quality will be same, the knowledge will be same. That is my guarantee. Okay. So that is Ramakrishna. Is it okay? Any other question or whatever I have said? Okay. So the number is there, 97820578811. That is our official number, and you can get in touch with that Khushbu, and she will guide you. It was really an exciting session, giving us some tips and knowledge, giving a thought on belief, potential, focus, action, results. All small words, but has immense meaning. How you introspect, it is very important. Thank you so much. A nice session, sir. Thanks a lot. Very useful indeed. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in, taking your time. If you have any question, please unmute yourself. You can ask the question. I don't mind spending more 5-10 minutes. Okay. So details are there in the chat box. Ruma is saying thank you, very interesting explain. Thank you, Ruma. Thank you for good session, Ramakrishna. Thank you, Ramakrishna. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kavita, Mr. B, Jack, Arun, Mahesh, Shashi Khanna, Ruma, Vandna, Niti Bajpai, Deepak, Akshata, Ritika, Navin Nayak, Anand, Sangeeta, Raghavendra. Thank you everyone. Course, yes, you will get all the details on your mail ID. So please connect with Khushbu. She will give you all the details. What are the charges for the practitioner? Kritika, you will get all the details on your mail ID. Please contact Khushbu. Okay. Duration of NLP, the duration is 10 days of course, every day 2.5 hours. So around 25 hours of the entire course. Okay, the number is there in the chat box 97820578111. Yes, thank you, Kritika. Okay. Okay, see you then. Good night. Stay safe, stay home. So we are doing regular sessions. If you are interested, you can join our group also. We have a group on Facebook and WhatsApp. It is the name as Mahabodhi Learning Group, where we are doing 3 sessions. So Mahabodhi Learning Group is available on Facebook. You can join that group. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Good night. So I'm concluding the session. Signing.